Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone, and it's always exciting when we receive great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us.
With a newly refurbished venue, we needed to ensure that the quality and excellence that is synonymous with our brand is reflected in our cleaning standards. JDK Cleaning has never failed to deliver, which includes regular carpet cleaning, as our carpets always take the brunt of spills during a wedding party.
We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return we receive incredible loyalty. See and you'll be amazed. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a nice day.